Welcome you all in our new lecture. So today's topic is what is logical operator, and I think that this is our last operator. So in what the things around logical operator. So we are going to write here. First is our AND operator. Okay, guys. How we can write AND operator in our JavaScript. So there is our symbol of AND operator. Okay, guys. Now our second thing is OR operator. And how you can write OR operator in your JavaScript. So now we are going to write here. This is our OR operator. Here you can see that this is our symbol of OR operator. This is fixed, guys. You have to written in your language that wherever you want to use this operator, you have to write this symbol. This is our OR operator. Okay. Now third is our NOT operator. So this is not very important, so I want to cover this in last minute. This is not very important, not operator. Okay, so our first thing is AND operator. What is AND operator? I want to take some definition about this. When all the operands are true, only then result will be true. Okay, guys. Now what this definition is saying you, when all the operands are true, only then result will be true. How you can write this in your console area, that how you can you are going to write AND operator in your JavaScript. So if you have seen our lecture what is comparison operator and relation operator, then you will definitely understand here what is logical operator here. So if you haven't seen our lecture of relation and comparison operator, go and watch out. Okay, I will give you link in the description also. So when you are going to write here 3 less than 2, okay, and 3 less than 4, why this will give you the output is false. So here you can see that when all the operands are true, here you can see that operands here in this side and this side, before AND operator and after the AND operator. When all the operands are true, only then result will be true. So here you can see that 3 is less than 2. No, 3 is greater than 2. This is false. And after AND operator, 3 is less than 4. Yes, this is true. Now, if you are going to see here, 3 less than 2, what will be the output here? False. Okay. Now, 3 less than 4, this is true. But still they give you false. Why? Because AND operator saying me that when all the operands are true, in both the cases when operands are true, okay, then the result will be true, otherwise they will give you false. Now if you are going to write here 3 less than 4, this is true or false, guys? This is true. Okay, now we have 3 less than 5, this is true. So this will give me the true, because in both the cases, in both the operands, this will become true, and that's why this will give me true, otherwise they will give me false. So how you can write? So I want to take some more example here, that when operands, you will take operands 1 here, and after that operands 2, okay, and here you can write AND operator, because between operand 1 and operand 2 there is a logical operator. So what is AND operator? So now if you are going to write here true, okay, and true, this will give you the output as true. Okay, guys. Now if you are right here false. Okay, and here is our AND operator, and this is our also false. What will be the output? False. Okay, now if you are right here true, and here is AND operator, and this is our false, what will be the output, guys? This will become true or false, means false, because here you can see that when any one of these false, any one of these false, this will become false. If both the statement are true, then this will give you the true output, otherwise it will give you false. And when both the cases are false, then what? This will give you false, already false, because this says that when both the operands are true, then I will give you the true output, otherwise I will give you false. Okay, now we have one more statement here, that if we have false and after that we have true, then this will give you the output false. Okay, now if you are going to see here, now I am writing a 10 greater than 2 and 2 greater than 1. This will give you true. In both the statements you can see that 10 is greater than 2, this is true. 2 is greater than 1, this is true. That's why this will give you true. And if you take some more example, 10 is greater than 5 and 10 is greater than 6. Okay, now if you take some more example, that and we are writing AND operator, and 20 greater than 10, this will give you true. Here you can see that this will give you the true output, because why? In here we have used 2 times AND operator, and 2 time AND operator saying me that here you can see that in this you can see that both the operands are true. That's why this will go out, and here true instead of this. Okay, now this will check true here, and this will check yes true. That's why this will give you true. Now if you are right here 10 greater than 5, no, I am writing a 10 greater than 30. Why false? Because in triple cases here you can see that till this statement this is true, but after this is false, because 20 is less than 30, not greater than 30. That's why this will give you the false output. So how you can write this in your printing statement? I'm going to write here console.log. Okay guys, now I am writing here 10 greater than 2. Okay, now we are using AND operator, and 2 greater than 1. Now what will be the output? Here you can see that 10 is greater than 2. Yes, 10 is greater than 2. Obviously 10 is greater than 2, but 2 is greater than 1. Yes, 2 is greater than 1. In both the statement, here you can see that this statement saying me that this is true, because output is always boolean type in our operator. So what you have learned in relation operator and comparison operator, here you can see that output is true, this output is also true, so this will become true. Why? You go here and check, true and true becomes true. Now if you are going to run this, so now you can see here true. Here you can see that this is true, but when you using here 2 is greater than 5, then JavaScript check that what you are writing code here 10 greater than 2. Yes, this is right, but this is false. But this is false. Why? 2 is greater than 5. This statement saying that no, 2 is not greater than 5. 2 is less than 5. What you have right here, this is wrong. So that's why this will give you the output as false, because now here you can see that both the statement are true and false. What is true and false? Guys, you can see here false. Okay, now if you are going to run this, now you can check here in console area, this will give you the false output. Okay, now if you are going to take some more example here, let's take one more AND operator here. Okay, now I am writing here 2 less than 5. Okay, now in three statement we have here, this is true. Okay, this is true, and this is 2 greater than 5, this is false. So true and false between this AND operator, this will give me false. Okay, false. And here you can see that after this we have 2 less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Is this right or not? Yes, this is right. So what will be the output? True. So false and true gives you what? What should be the output? False and true gives you false. That's why this is false statement. What you are writing here. Now, if you are going to run this, now you can see here, this is false. Okay guys, now you can understand how logical operator, and you can use multiple time of logical operator. If any one of that statement is false, this will give you false, otherwise they will give you true. So logical operator is little bit different between or operator is little bit different from and operator. Now we are going to write here or operator. Okay, now when all the operands are true, only then result will be true in our AND operator. In this, when you can write here one true become all true in OR operator. One true become all true in OR operator. So in this, when you have a condition, if in your home, let's take an example, in your home, if there is a freeze, so in your home there is a freeze, you can say that yes. And also in your home, if you have a TV, okay, if you have a TV, so then I will give you 100 rupees, otherwise I am not giving you. So AND operator saying me that this both statement should be true. Okay, but OR operator saying that if you in your home there is a TV, and if or if in your home if there is a phrase, I will give you 100 rupees. In both the cases, if any one of the statement is true, become true, you are eligible for the 100 rupees. Okay, now if you are going to write here 100 less than 200, this is true. Okay guys, now we have OR operator here. So how you can write OR operator? You can see that I have write this sign in our OR operator. And if you are going to write here 2 less than 5, okay, 2 less than 5, this will true. Why? Both the statement is true. Both of the statement is true. Here you can see that in if any one of a statement is true, if one true become all true in our OR operator. If you are going to write here that 100 greater than 200, this will true. Why? Because they will check that one statement is true, become true. I have not to check any other statement now. Okay, I am satisfied from one statement that saying me that one is true, become true. I will not go and check any other statement. I will go and exceed further in my code. So here you can see that 100 is greater than 200 is false, but this statement is true, that's why this will give you true. And I have used here AND operator. Now if you are using here AND operator, if you are using here AND operator and write 100 less than greater than 200, this will give you false, because both you can see that one statement is true but other statement is false. 100 is less than 200, but 100 is not greater than 200. 100 is less than 200. So this will give you the false output. But when you using here or operator, this will give you true. Okay. Now, how you can write or operator in your JavaScript? Now, we are going to take console.log. Okay, I am going to write here 2 less than 2. Okay, or you can see here 2 less than 2. This is false now, and we are right here 3 less than 2. This will give you the output is in both the statement. You can see here 2 is less than 2 is wrong. 3 is less than 2. This is also wrong. What should be the output here? Here no any statement saying me that this is true. So how you can say that this is true? No, this is false. Now you can see here this is false. Wait for 1 second. This is false. Now okay. Now if you are using more and or operator here, so I am using here 100 is less than 200. So what will be the output here? So check here. Pause the video and check here what will be the output here. Now you can see that this is false. This is also false. Okay, 3 less than 2 is false, but this is true. And here this is saying me that one true become all true in our operator. So here you can see that any true operator, yes, we have a true operator. Okay, now we can exceed and become all true in our or operator. So when you are going to run this in your console, now you can see here true. Okay, now we can write here so guys, you don't need to remember all this. You have to just focus on approach what we are going to use here. So in operand 1 and operand 2 here, one true become true. Okay, you are going to check here one true and one true. Here both are true, but we don't need to check other true. But here you can see that one true give you true output. This is right. Okay, here you can see that one false and one false. There is no any true statement, so becomes false. But here you can see that one true and other is false. This will give you the true output. You can write here true. Okay, one false and one true give you the true. Okay, now you can see here the true. So this is the method of working of or operator. Now we have not operator. What is not operator? Not op how not operator works. So if you are going to write here not, okay. So if you are right here 3 less than 2, this will give you true. Why? Not operator is different. This is 3 and 2. 3 is less than 2. This is false. So not true, not false, give you true. Now you can see here, if you are going to write here not true, this will give you false. If you are going to write here not false, sorry, if you are going to write here not false, this will give you true. Okay, now you can take some more practice here. If you are going to write here not 100 less than 2, sorry, less than 2, what will be the output? 100 is less than 2. This will check what? This is false, but here you can see that not sign. So that's why this will give you true. Just opposite of what statement you are going to write there. So this is our not operator. This is not usable most of the time. So you don't need to know about what is not operator here. So if you are going to write here 3 is equal 3, No, we are writing here 3 equal 3. This is true, but this become false because we are using not operator here. So I want to take some more example here, guys. uh, I want to comment out this. So if you are right here, 2 less than 2 and 3 less than 2, 100 less than 200, if you are using here comparison operator also, so if you are using here 2 equal 2, this will check the operands are true or not. This will true or not, guys. This will true because 2 here double equal. Here you can see that there is a double equal, and this will not check your data type. So in logical operator we have learned that, sorry, in comparison operator we have learned that double equal sign means they will not check your data type, they will check only the values. If you are going to write here triple equal to, they will check both the data type and your values also. But here you can see that number, this is also a number. Okay, data type is same and the values are also same, so this will become true. That's why this will give you the output as true. So you can practice whatever you learn till this time. You can use here logical operator, you can use here comparison operator, you can use here relation operator, whatever you want you can use here. And output is always boolean type in logical operator also. So that's the topic I want to cover today. And please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you, guys.